all right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, welcome to Juicy Chop Chop. And then yeah, pineapple. Hey, did I say pineapple? No. I'll do pineapple next week for you people. I'm going to do orange, carrots, and ginger juice. Special one. So I will not waste much of your time. I will start cutting my carrots, and then we start the juice. Okay, so I'm cutting all these things too, so I can get my juice out of them. You see that thing? Hey, this thing they hard. Wow. Let me bring my ginger. Yes, the magic wonder ginger. Okay. Okay. So now I think I'm ready to juice up. I want to blend all these things. Let me start cutting my oranges. Alright, you can see, nice one, plenty water there inside. Wow. Alright, so let me just cut some few of them. Alright, look at all these things, fresh one. Wow. Okay, so let me bring in my blender. Okay, let me fill up my, so you pour it. All right, so you put the bowl somewhere. Then where's my water? You pour the water. Okay, that's good. And then you cover it. Then you put it on the blender. So we are ready to blend our ginger and our carrots. Correct. So now we are done with correct one. Let's pack the blender somewhere. Yo. So we are done with this one. Let me juice my orange. Let me put this one somewhere. Let me start juicing my orange. I have my cup there inside already. So let's start. Okay. So now we are done with the orange juice. So I'll put it somewhere here. I'll put my bowl somewhere here. And I'll bring in my what I'm going to do now is to sieve the carrot and then the ginger. So that can have a nice Trust me, this is going to be sweet. With the smell that is coming out of the, I can smell the ginger, the carrot. It's very healthy. And make sure you clean your table. Have a neat environment for processing your juice. All right. So now we want to add our orange juice to make the complete of our orange and then carrot and ginger juice. So I'm adding the orange juice to the this is going to be sweet. Correct. This thing go be. So let me just taste and see how it's going to be. You're invited. Mamma mia. I didn't they say. Correct. You see, on the more serious note, I'm saying all this thing all the time. So, producer, just contact Juicy Fruity. Anything you want, we go give it to you. You see that thing? But go to our page and subscribe to the page for me. So next time I can bring you another special juice. Thank you very much. So if my DJ is there, you should give me a nice song so that I can close for today. Let me send it.